Hello and welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya and today we are here with the Poco X3 smartphone. This smartphone comes with quad rear cameras and a big size battery with fast charging support. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Poco X3 smartphone. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Poco X3 smartphone. As you can see over here, we have the box from Poco and it's got a nice shiny feel to it, and it's quite solid as well, and Poco has given us quite a nice package out here. And so let's dig deep and let's look into what exactly do we have inside over here. So we have the phone. As you can see, the Poco X3 smartphone, we got the blue variant over here, and then you have this fast charging adapter. It's white in color and it supports 33 watt fast charging, so that's pretty good for what you're getting for this price. And yes, then you have the USB Type-C cable, which is used for charging as well as data transfer from mobile devices to other devices. So as you can see over here, the Poco X3 is quite a package. We've got the phone definitely inside the box, and the one which we have is the blue variant. As you can see over here, quad rear cameras at the back. This is the white charger USB adapter which you get with a single USB port, and this supports 33 watt fast charging, which is pretty good for the price that you get the smartphone for. And yes, you have the USB Type-C cable as well, neatly wrapped inside this case, and you can use this to charge the phone as well as transfer data. And that's basically what you get with the Poco X3. And apart from that, you also have a nice looking phone over here with bezel-less screen. You have the phone over here, and as you can see, we've got the blue variant. This has the Poco branding written right below the cameras, and then you have the quad rear cameras. It's quite heavy in terms of the size, and you can really feel the battery size that you have inside it, which is really good for the phone because it will give you a long battery life, and a lot of other things that you have that we'll talk about in our next videos. But yeah, this basically is the unboxing of the Poco X3 smartphone. So this is the Poco X3 smartphone, and as you can see, this is a pretty wholesome package that you're getting for this cost. You have the phone definitely, and as we've already mentioned, it's got the Poco branding with quad rear cameras and a big battery. You have this USB adapter which supports 33 watt fast charging, and the USB Type-C cable is used for data transfer and the fast charging as well. So this is the Poco X3 smartphone. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.